The numbers are in, showing a 13% increase in the number of major property and violent crimes in Durham over the past few months. Police Chief Jose Lopez presented the crime report to the City Council on May 5th. Part 1 violent crime includes homicides, rapes, aggravated assaults, and robberies.
Part 1 violent crime was up by 36% in the first quarter compared to 2013. The rise in violent crime was driven by an increase in the number of aggravated assaults. We quickly recognized early in the first quarter that multi-victim incidents, such as shootings into crowds or occupied residences, were pushing up these numbers. This particular type of crime is a very cowardly act because the shooters have no idea who might be in the line of fire. We organized a multi-agency violent incident response to target locations where these incidents were occurring and the people believed to be involved. We gathered intelligence information to determine why these incidents were occurring, and we have plans to use all the necessary resources to focus on this issue.
Part 1 property crimes were also up compared to the same time last year.
Property crime was up by 10% during the first quarter of 2014. The rise was caused by an increase in burglaries and larcenies. Larcenies made up half of all Part 1 index crimes during the first quarter. Investigators made several arrests that cleared multiple burglaries during the first quarter. In many cases, there were several people working together to commit these burglaries.
Other highlights included new programs focusing on young offenders and very young victims.
Funded by a grant from the Fox Family Foundation, investigators from the Special Victims Unit outfitted existing office space to serve as a soft interview room for child victims and witnesses of sexual assault crimes. The soft interview room provides a more comfortable and relaxed environment to conduct necessary interviews with young interviewees. During the first quarter, the police department started training to participate in the new Durham County Misdemeanor Diversion Program, focusing on 16 and 17-year-olds. This program allows officers to refer first-time misdemeanor offenders to a diversion program instead of filing criminal charges, which could have a long-time negative effect. This program does not include sexual offense charges, firearms charges, or traffic offenses. The first-time offenders are referred to specific diversion programs and attend a session in diversion court. If they did not complete their program within 90 days, they can be charged with the original criminal offense. We're encouraging our officers to be engaged in this program. More than 500 youths in Durham would have been eligible for this program in 2012, and this is based on court statistics.
For more information, visit durhampolice.com.